Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which on October 24th and 25th will be sold at auction by Richmond Auctions. About 100 vehicles, some of them being sold at no reserve, including this 1913 Interstate Model 45. If you've never heard of an Interstate, there's a company that was based in Muncie, Indiana from 1909 through 1919. They built about 8,182 cars. And this is one of only two restored Model 45s known to exist on the planet. It's a very unusual vehicle. It's a classic example of brass-era automotive engineering. And of course, it has a six-cylinder engine here with twin plugs, meaning two spark plugs per cylinder. So it's 12 plugs for the six-cylinder engine. It has a hand crank at the front and has electric lighting, I should say, versus the acetylene cobalt type stuff that would have been used earlier than this. But the electric lights were a big deal in 1913. And also brakes at the back, internal drum brakes, which is kind of unusual. Most cars had external clamping brakes at the back, so this is pretty advanced for its time. Interstate was located in Muncie, Indiana, and again, beautiful restoration in this one here, wooden wheels, nicely rendered. Spokes are well cared for and well preserved, and of course the steel bodywork on this is well done. And of course it's a 7-passenger car, 2 up front, 3 in the back, plus 2 jump seats right here, and of course a metal skin with a wooden inner structure. It has a speedometer, so you can go down the road, and back then the roads might have been good for like 20 miles an hour at max, so these would have been probably 15 or 20 mile an hour cars. Country roads were kind of lumpy, but again, a nice restoration of a car that would have been seen back in the day. And again, only 8,182 cars built between 1909 and 1919 by the Interstate Company. This is a Model 45. Take a peek at the engine, and again, a 6-cylinder engine with twin plugs per cylinder, which is kind of advanced, and just make sure that the spark is effective. And here it is right there. It's a cast end block. The crank and the heads cylinder bores are cast together. Kind of an interesting piece, but again, 2 plugs per cylinder, nicely rendered, gray marine paint on the external, 4-speed manual transmission on this one here. So a nice example of brass era motoring. So bid accordingly. Every museum needs a brass era car, maybe yours.